Ready? Ready?
One more time.
Want to do it again?
Oh, he likes that.
Squirmy, squirmy.
That was a funny laugh. What is he doing?
Ready? Up. Up.
He's a tramp.
You want to go up? Nope.
He wants to go up there.
Okay. That.
Oh, the hill.
There he goes.
He went to Frisbee.
You can go up. Are you going to get the frisbee and throw it, Uncle Danny?
He's going to go to the concrete and turn around and come up.
Can you say down, Lou?
That was a good step. It was like.
He's alright, he's alright.
Sorry.
Yay!
You want to throw the frisbee, Uncle Danny?
Whoa. Can't.
Do you throw it?
Can't walk and turn back and look.